Welcome everyone to my channel Rising VLSI. In the continuous video series of TCL TK scripting, today I am going to demonstrate how can we make an application file of the TCL program. Here in my previous video I have told you how can we use the TCL program, we are able to write a TCL program and we can make the graphical user interface with the TK widget. Right now we have the program with extension of TCL. Now I'm going to create or convert this TCL.tcl into the .exe executable file. There are certain steps which I have written here. How can we convert it? For that we need to write the program in Notepad, save the program with .tcl extension. That is the software extension extension of the TCL program. We need to download a software free wrap that is freely available from the source for .NET. We need to extract it and store into the C drive with active TCL folder. So I'm going to show you how can we access this software. This complete software to download software I have taken the help from wiki file of tcllang.org. So in this file wikilong.org it is given the instruction how can we compile TCL script into exe program. He have shown the two different methods using TCL kit.exe we require 6 steps and using the free wrap simply can be created in 2 steps. So now he given the free wrap can be downloaded from the source for .NET. I'm going to source for .NET free project. It is going to provide the download option, but be sure we are going to download the Windows based BSD or Linux platform. So in the bottom it is showing the different extension of the file. We can go for 673 zip file supported by the Windows platform. Now I'm going to download it. So download will be start shortly. Okay. So now meanwhile it is going to download. It is 35 MB of it is the 35 MB of it will take time to it is going to it is a 35 MB of file and it is going to take time to download it. Okay. So now in between I am going to show the TCL program which I have created. I have created a program calculator for designing a calculator and I want to I have already converted it TCL this calculator into the application file. Okay. So now I'm going to showcase how the application file will looks like. So here I have the already an application file available with me calculator.exe. Okay. So now this calculator.exe I have used here the different widgets like the entry box to provide the input. I have taken the two input can be provided over the same entry box. There are button to execute the function and result will available to again third entry box. So here I have integrated the 5 different functions as a button format and it is going to provide result to the same entry box as a result. So now I hope after executing this complete step you should able to design your own application file of TCL program. Now go back, my file has been ready. Extract the file now. So okay. Now go into the download location where the file has been saved. FreeWrap 673. It is a Windows-based file. Extract the file, and we need to extract the file over the same location where our software has been installed in the C drive. Active TCL already have the FreeWrap 672 with me. I have downloaded 673. So create a new folder FreeWrap 673. Okay. So now extract it. Now if you look into the our C drive active TCL, here are okay. Now in my download location FreeWrap 673 a new folder has been existing. So open this folder. There are three folders we have doc, Windows 32, Win 64. Now, depending on the computer architecture, I am going to our Win64. In between, inside, we have only two files, FreeRAP TCL/sh. Now, I am going to open my program which I have written into the calculator. Save this program over the given location. So, active TCL 673 Win64. Save the program with .tcl. I have saved the file. Now afterwards, I can close this file. Now in between, I can show you in the Win673 FreeRAP folder, Win64, we have got another file, calculator.tcl. Another step is after that, paste the program, open the command prompt window. The command prompt window and give the path to the same particular folder. And here we have to type FreeRAP, the name of the file .tcl. In our case, FreeRAP calculator.tcl, exit, and application file has been created. Now I am going to open the new window, C command promote window. Open the CMD window. Right now I have single calculator. Here we have to give the file cd backslash, give the file to the active TCL FreeRAP 673 Win64. Now my current location or current path is the Win64. Simply write here the command name of the software, FreeRAP space calculator.tcl. That is the name of the file. Press enter. You can visualize over the background a new application has been created, calculator application. The size of the file has been increased to the 15 MB. We can exit from the command promote window. Now our SOC application is ready. Simply double click over it. You will get the similar type of graphical user screen for the given software. So now our application is ready. We can create this application. We can share with anywhere. We can copy it and we can paste to other locations. And we can paste to the our. So it is a very simple method. We can create an application, that is the executable file from the TCL program. So I hope by using this video you are able to convert a TCL program into the .exe file. Thank you everyone.